This video teaches you how to add a comment to a Microsoft Word document in a variety of ways. Adding a comment using right-click. Click and drag your cursor across some text. Right-click the selected text. Doing this will prompt a drop-down menu. Click New Comment. It's at the bottom of the right-click menu. Type your comment. Click anywhere on the document. Doing so will cement your comment, allowing you to move on to the next section of text that needs commenting. Be sure to save your document before closing, or your comments won't be saved. Adding a comment using track changes. Click the Review tab. Click Track Changes. Click the drop-down box next to Track Changes. Doing so will present you with the following editing options: Simple Markup, All Markup, No Markup, Original. Click All Markup. This option allows you to leave comments for other users to review if need be. Click and drag your cursor across some text. Click the New Comment button. Type in your comment. Click anywhere on the document. Be sure to save your document before closing, or your comments won't be saved. Replying to a comment. Hover the cursor over a comment. You'll see a couple of options appear below the comment. Click Reply. Type in your reply. It will appear indented below the original comment. Click anywhere on the document. Be sure to save your document before closing, or your comments won't be saved. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.